When I found out that my dad took the GTX on a test drive without me, I felt like I really missed out. Hey.
Hello. How's my daughter doing?
Doing good.
Good.
So I heard that Dave is out back and he's doing a couple things, just like finishing up on it. I'm hoping my dad will let me tag along and maybe test drive it before it heads out. I'm just gonna ask, can I please drive it? When I found out that my dad took the GTX on a test drive without me, I felt like I really missed out. Hey.
Hello. How's my daughter doing?
Doing good.
Good.
So I heard that Dave is out back and he's doing a couple things, just like finishing up on it. I'm hoping my dad will let me tag along and maybe test drive it before it heads out. I'm just gonna ask, can I please drive it?
No. Remember, you ruined your privileges. You stole the car at gunpoint. I remember it.
Okay.
I called the police. They said because you're my daughter, there's nothing I could do about it. I wanted to have you arrested.
This is the story now? This is what you're telling people?
If he's going on a road test, so you can ride with him if you'd like.
I can't drive it?
Huh?
I can't drive it though?
I don't think you can drive it. That's the
Why?
problem. You know, the truth of the matter is I want to spend more time with Allyssa driving. I want to give her privileges back, and this was kind of perfect timing because it needed to be road tested, but at the same time, it's a miserable car to drive.
So what do I have to do? I know, okay, I'm sorry about the Challenger thing. Sorry that I took that car.
Oh, you are?
No, I am. I'm really sorry.
Yeah, you seem sorry. You seem really sorry.
Well, I really am. I'm sorry.
Okay.
So I can
Is
only...
Dave going on a road test in it?
Yeah. Well, I wouldn't go by myself.
Huh?
I'm terrified. I would never take it by myself. I mean, it's Goldberg, Dad. Jeez, not you.
You know what? You can drive it. Yep, as long as Dave's in the passenger seat. That's the kind of guy I am. I'm a forgive and forget kind of guy.
Hey, Allyssa, how's it going?
Going good. Going really good, actually.
Nice.
Do you have a few minutes?
Goldberg's car is manual steering with 60 series tires on the front and an 800-pound 440 in it. It is manual drum brakes. It takes Bill Goldberg, or me as you saw. I'll be honest, the other day when I drove it, I pulled a muscle right here in my elbow. I've got a tennis elbow anyway. She's not gonna be able to drive, she's gonna be able to steer it. It's gonna be hilarious, and I am going to laugh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to spin it around the lot a little bit? Or?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, let's try it. Yeah, go ahead and jump in.
I'm gonna laugh like I've never laughed before in my entire life. I wish you the best of luck. The best of luck.
So yeah, you can go ahead and fire it up if you want. Yeah, I know you gotta kind of wiggle. There you go.
Wow, that started up so easy.
It does. It's
right up.
Yeah,
like
this
a brand
thing runs
new car.
like a champ. Yeah.
What's
the
this
light,
for? Is this the gas?
That's the high
I mean-
beams.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool. Okay.
Yeah, so whenever you got your headlights on, if you want to hit your high beams, it's got a foot pedal instead. Yeah, back it up just a little bit there.
Okay.
Before you get started, can you do me a favor? We always do a quick systems check. Can you turn the wheel all the way to the left for me? All the way to the left. Keep going, yep. All the way, we want to check it.
Isn't it all the way?
No, it's got a lot further to go.
Are you sure?
Yeah, unfortunately, this doesn't have any power steering.
You see what
How far are we?
You know what I mean?
Oh, hang on a second. You're not.
Mike
You're.
Tyson.
You can let the clutch back out.
Oh, okay. I guess I'm used to putting it.
There you go.
Well, if you're
so
going,
weird.
Dad, if you're going, it's going to be
Oh, is
easier
it
to
easy?
turn.
Okay, okie dokie.
With some
Let's do a
speed.
systems check to make sure it moves, that the wheel works right.
Do you want to get in the back?
While we're moving.
You want to drive with me?
No, I want you to wreck Goldberg's car and then explain it to him.
Wow.
I don't. I don't.
You're not. You're not. Goldberg.
Still in neutral. Pushing the clutch. Oh, there you go. Whoop. You're all right.
Shit, what's making that noise?
It's the throwout bearing.
Okay.
Oh, it's so much easier to turn.
There you go.
Oh, that's nice.
There you go.
Oh,
Yeah, and you can
good.
push the clutch in a little bit.
Yeah.
You'll feel it disengage.
Brakes aren't very responsive.
No. No,
Look at
they're
that.
all drum brakes. So there's no.
I'm going to turn this around. Yeah.
Yeah, you made it. Look at that.
How
Yeah.
you like that steering by Armstrong, huh?
Easy.
Armstrong
Easy.
steering.
Yeah, this is doing pretty good.
Turn around right there. So I figure if she got her feet wet, so to speak, with driving the hardest car on the planet to drive, then when we start moving into some of the other cars that do have the creature features of power disc brakes and power steering, she'll be more appreciative. But in reality, yeah, it was a bit of a gag, but she did all right. She got it turned around. It's almost impossible to steer it with it sitting still, and it took her a little bit to figure that out, but yeah. Whip the wheel this way.
There you go.
Whip it this way.
There you go. Now let's roll back a little bit and it'll help you turn. Just a little bit. All right. Now stop. Now start cranking it that way. Straight up. Let out your clutch real easy.
Why is he crazy?
Crank it hard, crank it hard. There you go. Crank hard. We're not gonna make it. Because we got those 4-foot blades right there.
You got it.
He said you're good. Keep going. Oh, look at that, son. Woo,
Steering
that's a
by
workout.
All right.
Yeah, making me tired watching you.
Well, it's a good thing Goldberg owns this car.
Oh,
Let me tell you what.
He'd probably turn it with his finger. He'd be like, what's up with that?
That is a tough son of a bitch to drive right there.
Oh, I think that's all my arms can do though. It's cool because we put in the interior and
Yeah, you want to drop the top?
seats. Yeah.
Let's drop the top.
How
Flip
you
down
do it?
your visor there. Then pop this dude right here,
This is so cool.
like that. Yeah, and then just go ahead and pull your top button and push down.
Oh my god.
Check that out. Is that cool or what?
That is so cool.
Unfortunately, we probably got a bunch of rain clouds on it. You keep going.
It goes down so quick.
It does,
too.
huh?
Yeah.
There you go. Right there.
Wow.
That's it.
Beautiful.
Isn't that great?
I'm gonna be sad to see this car leave. I'm tired.
Yeah. Yeah. You got it out of your
Shut it off,
system?
you want?
Thanks for letting me drive it. Yeah, it was fun. And now, I mean, you trust me with Goldberg's car. Shoot. You can drive anything now. I did great. Didn't wreck this one.
No. No, that was a payback for stealing the car. You did good. Got a little muscle in them arms, huh?